Hello everyone, this is Sam from SaberiSixRealEstate as well as Remax Realtor Realty Inc. Back with a quick video. In this video, I'm going to quickly, as quick as I can, because I usually talk a lot, explain the new latest bill introduced by the provincial government. The bill is supposed to protect tenants. The exact name of the bill is Bill 184, Tenant Rights and Strengthening Community Housing Act. So it's kind of twofold. It's supposed to protect tenants at the same time. In the provisions where the protection of the tenants come in, it further incentivizes landlords to seek alternative resolutions other than eviction. Meaning it's supposed to further motivate and incentivize landlords to potentially seek out extra financial arrangements with the tenants in any situations where the tenant has defaulted on rent due to the COVID scenario or the COVID pandemic we're all dealing with right now. The bill can be summarized in 3 bullet points in my opinion, and most press releases have done so as well. First, it requires a 1-month full compensation on the behalf of the landlord to the tenant for no-fault evictions due to the pandemic. Now, no-fault is kind of ill-defined here. Hopefully, as time passes, we get more details on exactly what no-fault means. But for now, we can assume for external reasons, if you were evicted, then 1 month's compensation is kind of required. Bullet point number 2 increases the maximum fine amount for individuals up to $50,000 and for corporations to $250,000. Lastly, as an additional step, it allows up to 12-month full compensation to the tenant if the tenant was evicted unlawfully or for bad faith reasons. So at the time of recording, it's July 23rd, about 4 p.m., and the bill just came out today. This bill will apply retrospectively all the way back to March 17th when the government shutdown occurred. Thanks for watching. This is Sam from SaberiSixRealEstate. Many more videos coming out. I'm not going to talk about whether I think it's a good bill or a bad bill. Today's video was just an objective conveyance of facts. That's it. Anyways, stay in touch. My contact info in the description. And yeah, if you have any more questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching.